The purpose of the Resources and Technology Annotated Bibliography Webliography is to develop a rich stockpile to pull ideas and materials for future lessons with ELS. So you're going to pick 15 resources that focus on a topic. They could be realia, video, audio resources, websites, apps, differentiated readings on the same topics. If you want to include one of the professional organization websites, they have to be in addition to the 15 required resources. So you'll need to write a one-page intro that describes your overall themes, as well as grade levels that they're appropriate for. I would suggest aligning with the Common Core state standards that are appropriate for the grade levels content studies. You can pick the New Language Arts standard or the content standard. That's up to you. Then you'll give your citations for each of the 15 resources. You're going to create this on a Google Doc so you can put the link as well, and a one-paragraph summary for each. So some materials could be used for lots of different topics. So a website or an app, maybe a game site. You could include it and note the ability to fit these other themes as well. And then write half a page to a page conclusion describing how you envision using these resources in the future with ELS to help them meet their content and language learning needs. So you'll create your Google Doc. If you have any paper resources, scan and save in the folder and link it. If you have a book you want to use, you can link me to a summary of the book, such as on Amazon. And then you'll post the link to your Google Doc on the discussion board. And you'll reply to that same posting and just highlight 2 of the resources that you loved the most with a brief summary. So you'll get your Google Doc summary, and then you'll respond, and you'll just include 2 of the resources that you absolutely loved, you want your classmates to see, you want to share with them, and a brief summary of those. And then you'll respond to the postings of 3 of your classmates the following week. So on this one, your introduction needs to be clear, explanation, strongly aligns to the standards. You're going to review the available resources and how you'd use them. So this aligns to our TESOL standard 3C. You included all aspects of the task, and that overall your tone and voice is professional quality. You're using field technology. You're consistently grammatically correct with no misspellings. So when you go to submit, we go back to Canvas, and it'll be linked in the module for that week, but also you can go to assignments and scroll down here as well. You'll see the explanation straight from the syllabus, and then we reply here. Let me know if you have any questions.